Hi, my name is Martijn and these are the AirTender clip-top jar vacuum lids. Basically, this system is an upgraded version of the traditional glass clip-top jar that you can use to store food. With these vacuum lids you can keep food fresh up to 5 times longer. You'll waste less food and save money. It's the perfect alternative for plastic containers that aren't very sustainable and not very healthy. And also with these jars you can add flavor to food. In this video I will show you how it all works. Okay, with these lids you can store food free from plastic and without air in the jar. A traditional jar can be sealed, but air will still remain inside. And the air inside reduces shelf life. That's the reason why, for example, cookies or cereals go stale in just a few days. With AirTender you can use this vacuum pump with the lid to extract air from the jar. Without the air, the food will stay fresh way longer. Oh, and the lid fits on different brands and sizes of jars. And this works for all kinds of food, so from coffee beans to fresh fruits and crackers. And this system is really simple to use. You just take a traditional clip-top jar and you remove the rubber seal. Now you can place this vacuum lid on the jar and take the pump to create a vacuum. The lid and the pump both have vacuum indicators, so you can be sure that the jar is properly sealed. The pump will let you know when you can stop pumping. You will hear a clicking sound when there is enough vacuum. And the lid sits flat on the jar when it's properly sealed. So that's how vacuum storage works, and besides keeping food fresh for longer, you can also create wonderful flavors. You can marinate, infuse and pickle way faster and better. Oh, and if you like some inspiration for recipes, be sure to check our website. As an example, I'm going to pickle some cucumber. Without a vacuum jar this will take hours, but with a vacuum, so with a jar like this, you can prepare and serve them within 15 minutes. And besides being faster, it's also cheaper and 100% natural. The first thing that you do is cut the cucumber into sticks and then you place the sticks into the jar. Be sure to leave enough space above the cucumber. Then you can add some sugar, vinegar, salt and pepper. And finally you can place the lid on top of the jar and pump the air out. And you can immediately see the vacuum working. And all the flavors of the sugar, vinegar, salt and pepper are being pulled into the cucumber. And this also works for quickly marinating and tenderizing chicken, infusing water with fruits and much more. To open the jar, just pull the stopper and the vacuum will be released. So these are the AirTender vacuum lids for clip-top jars. Your food will stay fresh for longer, you'll waste less and you'll create wonderful flavors with them. Again, if you're looking for inspiration for recipes, please take a look at our website. On our site you can also find information about how we make our products at AirTender with care for people and our planet. It's all about maximum taste, minimal waste.